Focus because kilay is light. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I just want to show you guys how I created this. Para sa mga momshies out there na lagi nagmamadali at like me, laging busy at wala nang time mag-ayos. And this makeup look, it will only take you 10 minutes. So, without further ado, let's get started. I just showered and medyo basa pa yung buhok ko. First, I'm going to apply my favorite moisturizer, yung Neutrogena. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa umaga. So, I just took a shower, guys. Kasi, may ulam na ako. Apply lang tayo ng moisturizer. Guys, it's important na nag-a-apply tayo ng moisturizer bago kayo mag-a-apply ng makeup para at least maganda yung outcome ng makeup nyo. At saka hindi siya direct contact yung makeup sa mukha nyo. Importante talaga. At saka please don't forget yung mga neck nyo. Actually, ang dami kong ang breakout ngayon kasi I think it's the time of the month. Next, I'm using my concealer. I like to use the It Cosmetic kasi maganda siya. As in, parang full coverage siya. At saka naka-cover niya talaga yung mga blemishes. Kagaya niyan, marami akong mga hyperpigmentation. Ang dami kong mga sumpa. So, i-apply ko lang to sa mga meron akong imperfection, meron akong mga tigyawat. And then, just like that. I try to not to put so much foundation na kasi minsan nagbe-breakout ako pag palagi akong naka-foundation na heavy full coverage. Yan. Kaya ang ginagawa ko na lang minsan talagang nagpo-focus na lang ako sa mga imperfections, sa mga sumpa. And then, ibabuff ko lang siya with my small fluffy blending brush. But make sure guys, pag gagamit kayo ng concealer, make sure na nagmamatch siya sa skin tone nyo para at least hindi siya sobrang puti at hindi rin siya sobrang dark. I'm so sorry guys kung hindi ako nakatingin sa camera kasi may salamin dito sa harap. I promise guys, this makeup look, it will only take you mga 10 minutes. Medyo matagal lang ng onte kasi I'm talking to you guys. So, as you can see, hindi talaga siya perfect na coverage but it's enough to blur out yung mga tigyawat, yung mga peklat. Kasi guys, every time na nagkakaroon ako ng tigyawat, I don't know bakit nagmamark siya. Nakikita nyo, ayan o. Pero, okay lang yan. You don't have to be perfect and nobody's perfect. Diba po ba? Tama? Itong look na to, maganda to pag halimbawa nag-office kayo, tapos nagmamadali kayo. And you don't have to buy the same makeup that I have. Gamitin nyo kung ano yung meron kayo guys. Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng kung ano yung pinapakita ko dito. Okay? Kasi huwag na kayong gumastos. And then, next, gagamit ako ng foundation. I'm using MAC Fix. Favorite ko siya kasi mas nako-cover palalo yung mga affected area. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, konting buff lang. Huwag niyo siyang i-drag. Don't drag it kasi mabubura yung mga kinover niyo na eh. And next, we're gonna move on to our brows. And I'm using NYX. And then, ibabuff lang natin siyang konti, guys. Kasi yung aking kilay is medyo sabog-sabog siya. And then, I'm just gonna apply my kilay because kilay is light. I'm just doing a light-handed kasi, guys, pag sinobrahan nyo naman ng apply sa kilay nyo. Baka magmukha naman kayong ano, guys. Masobrahan naman yung dark ng kilay nyo. Since you're looking for very simple and everyday makeup look, di ba naman? But nasa sa inyo yun, guys. Kung gusto nyong medyo pack na pack yung kilay nyo, go for it. Ako, hindi ako manlalaban ngayon, kaya simple lang ang makeup natin. And then, kino-cover ko lang yung may mga spars, like that. Then, let's do the other eyebrow. And then, let's move on to our eyeshadow na, guys. And I'm using the Revolution, Makeup Revolution by London. I love this palette because it's perfect for everyday, like these colors. Tapos, pag nighttime naman, magka-club kayo or date or something, meron siyang mga darker. Perfect to sa mga beginner at saka sa mga takot sa mga darker and then, you know, bababoom na color. And then, you can use your finger if you want. And pag wala kayong brush, use your finger. And then, first, I'm gonna use this color. Ayan, itong color na to. Tapos, i-apply ko lang siya sa all over my lid. Just like that. Huwag niyo masyadong itaas, guys. Para gagamitin ko lang siya as a transition. Actually, I'm just using 2 colors sa mata ko kasi nga everyday lang naman siya. And then, I'm going to apply more finger. Ayan. Guys, sobrang bilis lang nito. It will take you 10 minutes lang. Matagal lang talaga siya kasi I'm talking to you guys. At saka dinidemo ko siya. Pero pag ako lang, I can do this like 10 minutes. Medyo natatagalan lang talaga sa kilay kasi talagang kailangan. So again, I use this color. Para siyang peachy and pinky color. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga morena. At saka bagay rin to sa mga mapuputi rin, guys. And then next, I am going to use this color. And I'm just using my finger. Pag mga shimmer, guys, maganda gamitin yung finger eh. Kasi yung warm ng finger nyo, mas na-drag niya yung product. And then, mas na-intensify niya. Where is my... Guys! This is weird. I just put all my brushes right in front of me. Ayun. Kala ko kung ano na. So, and I have my small brush. Kita nyo ba, guys? I'm using this small brush. Same color. Ito ulit. Tapos, ibabuff ko lang siya sa lower lash. And then, another tip, pag kukuha kayo ng eyeshadow nyo, ganyan nyo lang, tapos itap nyo, para yung mga excess, hindi siya masyadong mag-darken sa mata. Because less is better. You can always apply more kung gusto nyo, diba? And this is my favorite, guys. Shimmer siya, tapos nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa ilalim para lalong mag-open up yung mata mo. Mura lang neto, guys. I got this in Ulta. Siguro mga $2 or $3. But it's nice kasi tignan nyo, guys. Sorry, medyo dry yung balat ko. I just took a shower. Tignan nyo, guys, kung gaano siya ka... Can you guys see? O, diba? Then next, I'm going to apply my highlighter. I am using Oprah. And then, gustong-gusto ko siya nilalagay sa inner tear ducts ko kasi parang fresh na fresh lang. Yung parang hindi ko nalalaban. Ang sabi ni Miss Michelle Fox. Then, we're gonna move on to our mascara. Kung gusto niyo maglagay ng lashes, you can apply your lashes. But, right now, I don't wanna use lashes kasi hindi ko feel. Yun. So, we're gonna apply lashes. But, I'm gonna do 2 coats, maybe, or 3 coats kasi wala po talaga akong lashes, guys. It's kalbo. Guys, sino yung merong mga lashes extensions dyan? Comment down below kung meron kayo and would you recommend it? Should I? Kasi, as you can see, wala akong lashes, guys. I was debating if I wanna do it or not. But I've heard it's kind of high maintenance and you have to refill every 2 weeks, and I don't wanna pay that much money. At saka, parang mabigat sa mata, hindi ba? And this is my favorite blush. I got this from my Ipsy bag. Long time ago na. Hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan. I think expired na to, but hindi naman ako nangangate. So, carry lang. Ayoko bumili ng bago. Excuse me. So, and then, a-apply ko lang siya in the apples of my cheeks. Nandito lang ako sa bathroom namin, guys, kasi yung makeup room ko, hindi pa siya nakaset. So, tinatamad pa akong mag-ayos doon. Kasi inuuna ko muna yung living room, especially yung kitchen kasi mas importante, at saka yung bedroom. Yung makeup room siguro last na yon, and I think I'm gonna show you guys pag natapos na siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. And we are done with our eyes, cheeks, and I'm going to apply Etude House, brow gel, para mag-set in place lang yung ating brows at it would last longer. Tsaka para mag-lighten siya ng konti. And I have this NYX in the shade of SML05. It's soft matte lip cream. And this is my favorite for everyday look. Kaso nga lang, guys, hindi siya nagla-last long. Just put it in your bag kung gusto nyo mag-retouch. See, guys? Ang ganda, diba? Last but not the least, I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. Masakit sa ulo. Okay guys, and that's it for my today's tutorial. Sana po may natutunan kayo kahit onte. Thank you guys for watching me today. And please don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, like my video if you did. Thank you guys so much again, and see you guys later. Paalam! Adios! Sayonara! Bye! Hi! I just want to give a shout out to Miss R. Leiros and Nick Lau, and also to Miss Esmeranda A. Alo. Thank you! Shout out to you guys!